my god. Look. Why you choking?
Welcome back, everybody. Today's video comes from Mobile, Alabama. And before we get into it, the video is delivered to me like this.
Oh my god. Look. Why you choking? Look, call.
However, instead of doing what everybody does, adding a second background, a little bit of Gaussian blur, I decided to go through the entire video and keyframe it so that it was much easier to watch.
Record it. Yeah. Record it.
This is Mobile Police Officer Blake Duke. Blake Duke is an ex-Mobile firefighter and won Officer of the Month for May of 2019 and December of 2019. And just 2 short months later, he's been placed on desk duty. We don't know what happened that led up to this video, but I think you'll all agree that excessive force was used, and the manner that he treated Mr. Howard Green was egregious and unnecessary. Howard Green had a warrant out for his arrest since April of 2019. After this incident, he was also charged with failure to obey, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. Mr. Green had a broken wrist from prior to the incident, and no restraint or care was given by the officers to Mr. Green in compassion for his injuries. In the video, Officer Duke puts Green in a headlock and shoves him into a car, then later pulls Green from the vehicle and manhandles him, all while Mr. Green is in handcuffs. The police chief promises that they will do their due diligence in investigating themselves, but the chief did say, Mr. Green could be the worst criminal in the world, but our job is to make sure that we treat all citizens in this community with dignity and respect in the performance of our duties, which is why Officer Duke is now on desk duty. Why he hasn't been placed on administrative leave, I don't know. But guys like this don't deserve a badge. He's only been a cop since December of 2018, so in a year and a half he's gotten so comfortable behind a badge and a gun that he feels that he can unnecessarily rough up the citizens for no apparent reason. Imagine how he'll be with 10 years on the job. These are the types of men that end up killing innocent people. I'll keep a close eye on this one so you guys don't have to, and I'll report to you any news that I can find out about Officer Duke. Hopefully he'll be suspended, if not fired. Preferably with a clause that he can't work for the fire department either. Anyway, here's the video.
Why he doing that? Oh my god.
Look.
Why you choking?
Look, call. Let me see your phone. The call, get close.
Why'd
You ain't get close.
Why,
Choking that man.
why'd you choking him?
Internal affairs. Press 911 ask me for internal affairs. Keep recording.
Get arm in the car. I got a broken wrist. Oh my god, that's ridiculous.
Y'all need to call he need to call somebody over his ass.
Just record. Keep recording.
Follow me, so am I. He racist.
Y'all sad.
He racist. He a racist motherfucker.
You can move on or I'll get you for disorderly conduct. Bye-bye.
They're tripping on God.
He racist.
What's your point? What's their point?
Black people in our area. And we just recorded it. He beating on this man. Man got a fence on. I can't see what the man did. We right here on that end, and we're at Jordan's package store. He just strangled him. Throw him in the car. Yes. Yeah.
I'm trying to see about him now.
Jordan's package store.
That wrist has already been cracked.
Y'all stand up here by the stomach.
Get up here. He gonna try to get this down and get the call.
I don't even know what that means, but this man violated my civil.
Don't try to check on him now. He said they want to check on him. He didn't do nothing. But they sit there and watch that shit. They sit there and watch it. They do nothing about it. They take the lady to jail now. He probably just got a broke wrist. Put him in the chokehold, trying to choke him out.
With handcuffs.
Yeah, with handcuffs.
With handcuffs. You already can't do nothing. Why you gonna choke him for?
No, the car number 436.
No, the truck.
The truck is 3.
3 S4.
3
S4. Oh, 3 S4 and 432. Just give both phone numbers just in case. It's a bald head.
You tell them write both of them down.
Right, both of them down.
The truck pulled up after the car was already here.
Oh, so it is.
The car pulled up first, the truck was just passing by and pulled up. I was just
Just give both phone numbers. Just give both phone numbers. That's the bullshit.
I ain't gonna make that it. It's drinking to the car. Ain't gonna make that it after the ball and everything.
Y'all want to record that? Yeah.
No.
That ain't what you saw though.
We
That ain't what
did.
you saw.
We did. Yup.
I saw you choke him though.
Let's talk about that.
I see you pink as hell.
Yes, I'm still here.
What type of time are you?
I see you pink
I
as
want to
hell.
speak to someone from internal affairs.
See, now he finna fuck himself up. You know what I'm y'all better not be waiting. He's gotta be wrong thing. Hands and bags up. Oh. Say, look.
Oh my God.
Hey, record it. Record it.
Yeah.
Record it. There they go. I ain't got shit, bitch. I go 2 of them. Stop.
Put that man in
You
handcuffs,
got
man.
me, bitch. There you go.
Oh my God.
Record, be quiet. Record it. Record it.
That's crazy.
No, go on. We're going to the stove. Come on, Jalen. Come on, the stove. There you go. There you go, because you can't stop.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for joining. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, check out our merch down below, join the channel membership, or hit us up on Patreon. Leave a like, leave a comment, share, and that's about it. See you guys in the next one.
Why he doing that? Oh my God.
Look.
Why you choking?
Look, call. Let me see your phone. The call. Get close.
Why
You ain't get close. Choking that man.
Why are you choking him?
Internal affairs. Person I asked for internal affairs.
I'm in the car. I got a broken wrist.
Oh my God, that's ridiculous.
Y'all need to call he need to call somebody over his ass.
All me, so am I.
He racist.
Y'all sad.
He racist. He a racist motherfucker.
Okay, congratulations. You can move order on this for disorderly conduct. Bye-bye.
They tripping on God.
He racist.
What's your point? What's their point?
Black people in our area. And we just reported he beating on this man. Man got a fence on. I can't see the man did. We right here on that end, and we're at Jordan's package store. He just strangled him. Throw him in the car. Yes. Yeah.
I'm trying to see about him now.
Jordan's package
Look,
store.
that wrist has already been
Come on, y'all stand up here by the stove.
Yeah, get up here. Get up here. You gonna try to
This
understand
man
what
is
you're calling.
I don't even know what that means, but this man violated my civil.
Don't try to check on him now.
He said they want to check.
Check on him
He didn't do
now.
nothing. He didn't do nothing. The other man.
But they sit there and watch that shit. They stand there and watch. They do nothing about it.
You just asked for driver's license. I don't have anything. Why am I going to jail? You wasn't driving. I don't have anything.
How they put him in jail?
They take the lady to jail now.
He probably just went on the name.
He got a broke face.
With handcuffs.
Yeah, with me.
With handcuffs. You already can't do nothing. Why you gonna choke him for?
No, the car number 436. No, the truck is 3.
3 S4.
Yes,
Take 3
yes.
S4.
Oh, 3S4 and 436. Just give them both phone numbers just in case. Place the ball head in there.
You tell the right both of them now.
Right, both of them now.
The truck pulled up after the car was already here.
Oh, so it is.
The car pulled up first, the truck was just passing by and pulled up. I was just
Just give them both phone numbers. Just give them both phone numbers. That's some bullshit. Not ready.
I ain't gonna make that it. It's gonna break it to the car. Ain't gonna make that it after the ball that it comes.
Y'all want to record that? Yeah.
No.
That ain't what you saw though.
We
That ain't what
did.
you saw.
We did. Yup.
I saw you choke him though.
Let's talk about that.
I see you pink as hell.
Yes, I'm still here.
What type of time they here?
I see you
I
pink
want
as
to
hell.
speak to someone from Internal Affairs.
See, now he finna fuck himself up. You know what
Y'all get out of the way, man. He's got to get one thing. Hands and bags up. Go.
Oh my God.
Hey, record it. Record it.
Yeah.
Record it. There they go. I ain't got shit, bitch. I go two of them. Stop.
Man, that man in
You
handcuffs,
got
man.
me, bitch. There you go.
Oh my God.
Record, bitch. Why? Record it. Record it.
That's crazy.
Now go on. We going to the store. Come on, Jalen. Come on in the store. There you go. There you go. Cause you can't stop.
Hold up.